have to cut through 100 millimeters of concrete to get to the slip pipe, and we retrieve our camera and tracking device that are stuck in the drain before repairing the pipe.
That was the socket at the top.
Yeah,
And that's the piece of pipe that wasn't even in the fitting.
We rebuild the section correctly with proper fittings and then case it in concrete before rebuilding the slab. Thanks to the tracking device, we were able to keep the damage to a relatively small area.